Okay. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you what I found. I am the biggest fan of Fgteev. So this is called soundboard, but search for Fgteev soundboard, but like Fgteev. Let's go ahead. So this is the family found. Let's go ahead. Let's do Daddy. Fgteev. Daddy.
Run! He's right behind you! Daddy! Yo! Let's go! What is wrong with you?
What are you talking about, bro?
Hey, Mommy. Let me get that cash money. It's your girl, Lex. Stop! I'm not dressed for YouTube.
Oh, these are locked. No, I don't even have them. So let's see if what sounds are for free. 8-bit beep. Alarm clock. Short burp. Long burp. Atomic burp. Baby laugh. Belly laugh. Evil laugh. Birds chirping. Sing a song. Cartoon plop. Cartoon squeak. Cartoon wobble. Cat meow. Clapping. Thank you. Woohoo. Clapping woohoo. Oh, crash, pots, pans, creaky door, see, crash, dog barking, dolphin squeak, drum beat, duck quack, explosion large, explosion small, fart long, fart short, fart wet, goat, guitar solo, kura, great, chop, laser shooting, long burp, phone ring, phone pig, punch, rain, record, scratch, scared, scream, siren, thunderclap, thunder rumble, trombone, whistle. Something that would be my favorite. Yeah, we're basically on gray. Okay, but I don't know if that's fun enough for me to. I don't think it would. I don't think it's fun enough. I want to keep playing, but I don't know. I'm gonna play Do Not Disrupt. You guys can still This is how much coins I have. Look. I only disrupted. Reactions, I got all of them. All of the items. And all the doorbells. Yay. My favorite color is pink, so I always choose pink. I now got 10,067. I worked so hard for so many coins on that. And here's the mouse. And basically, he's still taking a nap with his pet elephant. Like, seriously? Okay, he locked himself in his house. Himself out of the house. You know, of course that's his house. Sorry about the sound. My brother is washing dishes, and I know you couldn't even hear. We're not even playing this game, so it's rich guy. Yeah, it's quite loud. Okay, he's naked. Only that he wears a bow tie? That's sick. Go away. No, I will not go away. You go away. Knocking on his door. I cannot see what's inside. And he's naked. Look at like the blood. He's probably embarrassed if he's naked. I always love ringing the doorbell. Eyeball! Eyeball! Okay. He's looking. He's mad. It's like he's a kid again. That's just the board.
Discover Seiko Mini World, the award-winning app that...
Oh. Bees. Bees! Bees! And they're flying away to get a new home. Ooh. A skull head. A skeleton head. Go away. I said no, just like a million times. There's a shop, but picky bang. 1,000. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 10,000 coins for you to spend. 100,000 coins for you for a very special prize. But 500,000 coins. It is too many coins. 5 million coins. You are filthy rich. Get rid of all those ads forever. A spider is gonna be in luck. I don't know how. I remember that ad. I'm done. Go check on this video yesterday, and go check on this video. These videos that if you never had seen these videos, just go ahead and check them out. Hope you like the videos, even like the short videos. If you never had watched these, go ahead and watch them. So I still have 17 subscribers. My YouTuber name is Among Us Wolfie Pub. And this is what my Among Us character looks like, but not in the game. It's a mango Among Us character. So yeah, that's what it is. I won 5,000. Seriously. Go ahead and check it out. What it is about. Favorite monster hunter. Favorite monster hunter monster? I don't have any. Oh my god, I love this. Alright guys, I want to end this video because I feel like my head's gonna hurt a lot. Not while I'm recording. It's gonna hurt a lot more if I'm recording. So right now I'm gonna have to end this. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like Wolfie Pubs. Hope you guys would enjoy the video. I hope I would get 18 subscribers soon. And also, see you later. Bye.